Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is September 14th, Wednesday, when I'm recording this. And so we had the CPI news come out, the other day, and we all know the reaction of that. Huge move down, huge move. And in fact, we've been seeing some records about that, some recent records about how big of a down day that was. Now, you would normally think that we should be getting some follow through to that. That's one thing. On the other side, it might have been such a big down day that maybe some price has to kind of digest it. And so that's why today, Wednesday, I was not expecting much from the market. So that's exactly what we got. Basically just kind of bounced or went sideways here. And seems like we might have got a bit of a short squeeze into the close. The one thing I will mention, and this was something I posted to the my Moxie group, is if we look at the put-call ratio, it is really high. So it's pretty far up there. You can see that it doesn't often get too far above that line, and we're up there. So I did notice that today and mentioned it and said, something seems fishy. I know we had the news and everybody's probably thinking short, and I'm thinking short too. Trust me. I think we're going to go lower eventually, but I'm just thinking right this moment, I'm not so sure if this is the time. So I've actually kind of been wondering if we're going to get price to kind of come up here a little bit. We're going to see if that happens, and then we'll have to kind of look out from there. And then also you can see that we've got kind of this trend line, which seems to be holding so far. We even kind of have this horizontal trend line that's basically holding in through there. And it just didn't seem very interested in moving down today. Now, hey, we'll have to see what the next day is. But remember, we have OPEX on Friday, and then we do have the FOMC on Wednesday. So there could be some shenanigans with the options expiration on Friday. They might try to either hold price or move it some way, whatever the kind of shenanigans that they're going to do. And then the next major move might happen because of the FOMC next week. So remember that September is historically the weakest month of the year. 2 days ago with the CPI number, that would seem to prove it. But otherwise, we've really just kind of been going sideways in through here. So, the market's always trying to make as many people wrong as possible. And so I'm just kind of thinking, maybe for the majority of the month, because here we are at the 14th, market didn't really do much. In fact, we had a big up move. So maybe people are like, oh, it's different. And maybe what we do is get a little bit of an up move, and then at the end of September, we trash it. So just kind of some ideas, throwing it out there and seeing where it might go. We don't know. Just throwing out some fun ideas of things to kind of keep in the back of your head. All right, everyone. Thanks again. Catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.